India's logistics cost has reduced to 7.97% of the gross domestic product, reflecting stronger efficiency. The Strengthening Mobility and Improving Logistics Efficiency program is enhancing logistics in 8 pilot cities through better planning and infrastructure. The Industrial Park Rating System version 3.0 rates parks on sustainability, connectivity, and digital readiness to support smarter development. Multimodal projects across the Gangetic Plain are integrating road, rail, and inland waterways, speeding up the movement of goods. The Prime Minister Gati Shakti National Master Plan connects 112 aspirational districts, improving access to major ports. The Logistics Data Bank version 2.0 and the Unified Logistics Interface platform provide real-time shipment visibility. These combined efforts are turning logistics into a competitive strength for India's global trade.